So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is Christmas Eve morning, and believe it or not, we have all our Christmas preparations done. We're ready to go. So I'm taking this opportunity this morning. I've been out here shooting my trusty flintlock rifle in preparation for the first day of muzzleloader season here in Pennsylvania. That happens the Monday after Christmas. We'll probably have 4 or 5 friends come out. We'll be walking all through these woods, seeing if we can't get a deer with a traditional flintlock rifle. These are a lot of fun, and they can also be a little frustrating as well, but that's all kind of part of the fun because you get to laugh at your buddy when his gun doesn't go off and hope it's not you. So this is a 50 caliber, and it's made by Traditions. This is the PA Pellet Ultralight. It's a nice short little light rifle. It makes it really nice to carry around in the woods all day when you're out hiking around. This is actually made in Spain. Now I did some research, and it appears the first flintlock rifle was made in France back in about 1630. And these are basically the same thing. You know, you've got the flash pan in it. The flint hits the flash pan, goes through the flash hole, hits the main charge, fires the bullet out the end of the barrel. Now this one is a pellet rifle. It takes these pellets right here. We'll go over that in a minute. But the French, they had a lot of pretty cool inventions. I didn't know that, like the hot air balloon, the Braille system for blind people to be able to read, mayonnaise, which I'm a big fan of that as well. Some of them though, like the metric system, never really had much use for that, but that actually came from France as well. So as I said, this rifle takes the pellets in this box right here. This comes with 100 preformed Pyrodex charges. They're 50 grain each. And you put 2 of those in the barrel, then your patch, then your ball. These are the big hunks of lead that come out the end of the barrel, 50 caliber. All right, I'm going to show you how I load this. Now I've shot this probably 4 or 5 times so far this morning, so it's pretty dirty. We're going to start off with 2 pellets down the barrel. I could hear that first one hit bottom, and another one. Then we're going to put a patch and a ball. There's the patch. There's the ball. And as you can see, it's very tight, so you need to get it started. Use one of these. There, I got it started. And I'm going to take it up off the ground, but I'll use this to get it down this far, and then I'll use the ramrod. So I got the ball and the patch down a few inches so far. Then I'll use the ramrod, shove it all the way down. Then we'll put a little powder in the flash pan. And what I like to do, it's kind of hard with the camera, I'll hold it over to the side a little bit and tap it some so I know I can get some down in that hole. I just seem to have a little bit better results that way. Close it up. We're ready to go. All right, so the gun is loaded. I have powder in the flash pan. I'm ready to go. All I need to do is pull the hammer back and pull the trigger. I have a target out there at about 50 yards. It's a steel plate. Half the battle is getting the gun to go off, and it's an added bonus if you hit the target. Now we call these a flintlock because there's a long delay. I mean, it's not real long, but there is definitely a delay from when you pull the trigger till the gun actually fires. And during that delay, there's a big flash in your face, and you try not to flinch. So I'm going to let her have it. I believe I hit the target. So Melissa heard some gunfire. She came out, wants to shoot this. She's actually, you're a good shot. You really are.
Thank you.
And she said she's not going to shoot off the bench. She
I prefer to stand.
You're going to shoot offhand. You're going to aim at that steel target on the left over there.
Yeah.
May want to do something with the hair.
I will put it behind my shoulders, and I actually went and put a hat on just to keep all the hairspray fumes inside.
Yeah, that big flash. We don't want to have a fire on our hands.
Yeah, that'd be a viral video, but we're not going to go for that.
No.
But
safety first.
That's right.
So here's some
I watched a documentary.
Safety glasses.
At the gym, on one of the treadmills, I watched a documentary on Daniel Boone.
Did you?
Pretty incredible.
You got your Christmas tree earrings on?
Yes.
You got your Let It Mow sweater on?
Yes, thank you, ExMark.
Pretty nice. Well, you want to do this?
Oh my. These have...
What?
These have little...
Oh yeah, they've got cheaters in the bottom.
Okay. Well, that'll screw me up. Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
All right, you ready, Melissa?
Ready.
All right.
I don't think I hit it.
I think you were right beside it. Not too shabby though, offhand.
It's these darn glasses.
Oh yeah, it says bifocals. Bifocal safety glasses.
Screwed up my sight.
They're fun to shoot though, aren't they?
Oh my gosh, yeah. I feel like I should go get my fringe, my leather.
Yeah, she's got the whole get up. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Good deal.
So I was telling them earlier that we're actually ready for Christmas this year.
Mike's been a big help. I've been pressing shirts, so Mike's had to step up, and he's seriously, I couldn't have done it without him. So,
well, thank you.
He's not used to hearing me brag about him, but I should, because
we've both been very busy.
He's been doing great, from grocery shopping to gift shopping.
Every time I come in the house, she's like cranking out shirts on the press and shipping, and her and Levi have been, I think, over 500 shirts in the last
oh my gosh,
just a couple weeks.
Yeah, I'd say 600, but yeah, it's been incredible, Mike stepping up. So I hope everyone likes the flashlights they're getting for Christmas.
Yeah. Flashlights and knives. That's
flashlight, knives, and socks. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my go-to 3 top items for anybody.
Right. Can't go wrong.
No, you can see in the dark and your feet are warm.
And you can cut something open. Right.
It's awesome. But anyway, I think I am, that's the video on the Flintlock, but I'm going to actually go cut some firewood, and we're going to talk about all that wood across the street. I posted that video this morning, a lot of comments on that.
Check it out. It's like a Christmas miracle.
It is.
Here comes the daily UPS guy.
This is the second time he's been here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right.
I need to get his name. I need to invite him to dinner. He's here once a day, if not twice a day.
All right, we're gonna head down to the wood yard. Give you a quick little Bronco update there. We absolutely love it. It's been a good vehicle so far. We just recently hit 1,000 miles on it. At some point, I will do a video kind of comparing it to the Jeep. But yeah, we like the Bronco. As you all know, it just took forever to get. All right, we're down at the wood yard, but before we get started, I wanted to mention something. I don't think it's any secret. We all know YouTube is not a fan of this type of video, even though we're just shooting a flintlock rifle. They don't like videos like that. And I can't do anything about that, but you can help a little bit if you don't mind. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit the bell icon beside it, and you'll get notifications when we upload. But I have done videos like this in the past, and you can just tell they just don't get the views they don't push them out in front of people, even your own subscribers, which I don't agree with, but it's their game. I'm just playing in it, but I don't like it. So anything you can do, share them with your friends. Like I said, make sure you're subscribed, all that kind of stuff, and leave a comment. We would really appreciate it. All right, give you a little update on the firewood bunker here. This is all that red oak in this area right here from over at the neighbor's place. Levi and I were over there yesterday, and there were a ton of comments on that. I knew there would be, asking why I did not take the dump trailer over there. Well, I have a very good explanation for that. I actually have a lot of good reasons why I didn't take the dump trailer over there, but like I said, there's a bunch of comments. I knew there would be, but you know, you should take the trailer over. It would be less trips. Number one, you kind of have to snake through a bunch of trees to get over there, and it'd be kind of difficult to get the trailer real close to be able to load it with the tractor. Number two, I like the way we do that. You take the tractor and the firewood bucket over, you fit about 1/3 of a cord in the bucket of the tractor. You're only running the saw for about 10 minutes. You get a full load. You bring it over here and you set the bucket right at waist height of the log splitter, so you don't have to bend down, pick the wood up again. And it's just fast and easy, and it kind of breaks things up a little bit as well. If you take the dump trailer over, you know, it'd take a long time to fill it up, and then you'd bring it over here and you'd probably end up dumping it on the ground and have to pick it back up again. And I have been doing my best down here to try to get things cleaned up before the snow flies. So the way we were doing it, everything we brought over was either a saw log that just went right in the pile, but all the firewood is already split up in the pile and I'm not making a mess. So that's the main reason. And the other thing too, you know, we're not getting any younger. And when you're running a saw, at least me for a while, you know, if I run one for a couple hours straight, my lower back will start bothering me. So I like kind of breaking up the day like that. Like I said, you run over there for 10 minutes, you cut, full bucket, then you're in log splitting mode, and you're back in the tractor, go get another one. And that's just the way we like to do it. And I'll probably keep doing it the same way. Well, there you have it. I think I'm going to wrap this video up. I got some more wood split on Christmas Eve, and it's about 55 degrees today. I'm not sure how long this is going to last, but I'm not complaining. And like I mentioned earlier, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, click that subscribe button and the little bell icon, and share this video with your friends. And Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.